The next stop on our journey to Oregon takes us to Lake Almanor, California. Join us on a 2-day camping trip as we explore pristine landscapes, cruise along the breathtaking bike trail by the lake, and unwind to live music at the iconic Plumas Pines Resort. Nestled among the tall sugar and ponderosa pine trees and in the shadow of Mount Lassen, Rocky Point Campground is on the southwest end of Lake Almanor. This campground has 131 dry camping campsites along the southwest section of the lake. Welcome to Sterling Adventures. We are Mike and Christine, two early retirees who are getting out in our RV to seek out new adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to catch our next Sterling adventure.
Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Good morning and welcome back to Sterling Adventures. Mike and I are on stop 3 of our trip up to Oregon. We are staying at Lake Almanor. You can see Mount Lassen in the background there. We just left Gray Eagle with all of our friends. It was such an amazing trip. They're headed home, but we're going to reconnect with them up in Oregon. For now, we are staying at a PG&E campground. It's called Rocky Point Campground. It's right on the southwest side of Lake Almanor. Some of these sites are incredible, like this one, site 125, right out on the water. Right now we are setting out to go on a bike ride. There is a paved bike trail all the way through the forest and all the way up the west side of Lake Almanor. So it goes up 11 miles and then it comes back down. We might do a little extra exploring too along the way. We'll show you all the sites. Found a little store at the Plumas, what is this place called? Plumas Pines Resort. We might come back and watch some music later, but got a little snack for now to get us back
to the campground.
to the campground. Wrapping up this ride, got about 21 miles, and the trail goes right off of our campsite. How convenient is that? So we're headed back, have some lunch, and then maybe head down to the Plumas Pines Resort and watch some music. It's a good day. Wow, we got sun too. We're getting solar.
Starting route to Plumas Pines Bar and Grill.
Well, that bike ride was super fun. One of the places we stopped was at Plumas Pines Bar and Grill and noticed that they had live music. So we're back down here to see some acoustic music on the lawn, on the lake. What could be better?
Strolling my 6-ring on my front porch swing. I smell that shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Some people claim there's a woman to blame, and I know, well, it could be her fault.
Well, our time at Lake Almanor is coming to an end. With only 2 nights, we definitely could have stayed here longer and found all kinds of fun things to do. Be sure to subscribe so that you catch our next adventure. We're headed off to McLeod, California. It's just north of Lake Shasta. We are camping at Fowler's Campground, and we are going to be camping within walking distance to 3 waterfalls. We can't wait. See you then. Other noteworthy things to do in the area include mountain biking in the nearby town of Quincy at Mount Hugh. The Pine Shack was recommended to us for their delicious burgers and Frosties. And the area has its share of great breweries. Always great to have a reason to come back. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for the next episode of Sterling Adventures.